Here's how to use Hakko AI in less than 3 minutes. Today I will show you everything you should know, including its in-game overlay, credits, and how to set it up. First, visit the Hakko AI website, create an account, and download the app for your device. Open it and sign in, then allow the screen and microphone permissions that appear. These are needed for Hakko AI to understand what is happening during your game and respond with live assistance. Next, turn on the in-game overlay from the settings menu. Once it is active, you can launch a supported game while Hakko AI runs in the background. The overlay lets you interact with the AI without leaving your game. You'll see helpful information on screen, and you can ask questions or get advice while playing instead of searching for answers in another window. Depending on the game, Hakko AI can recognize what is happening and provide tips, strategies, or other useful information during your session. If the overlay does not appear, check that screen permissions are enabled, then restart both the app and your game. After that, take a look at the credits section. Credits are used for Hakko AI's advanced features, including real-time interactions and game assistance. You can check your available credits from your account and keep track of how many you have left. Before starting a long gaming session, it is a good idea to know your balance so you do not run out while using the AI. If you need more, you can compare the available plans and choose one that matches how often you play. Now, customize your experience. Pick an AI companion that fits your style and adjust the available settings for voice and interactions. Your version may look slightly different, but the main options are easy to find. Spend a few minutes exploring the menus so you know where to manage the overlay, permissions, and credit usage. If you run into problems, there's another way to fix them. Return to the settings and confirm that both screen recording and microphone access are turned on. Missing permissions are one of the most common reasons Hakko AI features do not work as expected. Once everything is set, Hakko AI can stand by your side with live gaming assistance, an interactive overlay, and credit-powered features that work while you play. Following these simple steps makes using Hakko AI quick and easy.